Okay, so we will start with some business English. All right, so quickly you write it down. Casual English versus business English. This will be extremely helpful for Mr. Das and Sanjeev and whoever y'all are working people, professionals. It will be very helpful. So casual English is you say I can't do that, I can't do this work, I can't do this task. This is how like a normal casual basic English level. But for advanced corporate, what can you say? For business English, you can elevate your level and say, unfortunately, comma, I am unable to accommodate that request at this time. Full stop. মানে কোনো কিছু আমি পারছি না বা করবো না, something like that, then you can say it in this way. Next option. Number 2. Okay, I got a question from Saheli, that is business English as in corporate English. That is the question, right? Can you see Saheli? Yes, she's very much visible. You see, the bottom line is whether you are in a corporate world or not, there's something known as professional conversation, professional behavior, professional body language. And there's something called informal and casual behavior, presentation, English, everything. So not just sentence or English wise, your behavior also, your body language, everything has to be professional if you are in a professional setup. For example, like, okay, coming to the language part, like when you say that I can't do it, so this sounds very like, not polished, not well groomed. In the professional arena or setup, you need to be very polite. By polite, I don't mean you go under the shoes of people. There should be smart politeness, politeness with assertiveness, confident politeness. Polite doesn't mean you become underconfident. Are you understanding? So you need to be polite at the same time, very confident, very polished, very assertive, and very, very strong and very, very bold. So that way you need to speak when you are in the professional setup. Behavior also is like that. I'll give you a behavior example. Like for instance, suppose say for example, one of you are informing me that somebody is admitted in the hospital and you are in the hospital and you're doing the class from there, for example. Okay, or maybe you are not well, maybe you are sick, you want to turn off your video and just do audio class, whatever it is. There's a way that you need to behave. Like who is your role model in terms of, say, the corporate industry or business world? One man's name that I think most of you will associate with is Ratan Tata. Everybody loves him, adores him, right? They love, people love his personality and everything. Don't you think he's polite? He's extremely polite, extremely humble, but he has a very strong personality. You are Mr. Borun Das, you are in this sector, corporate world, right? You need to handle clients from America and USA. I mean, USA and America same, UK, yeah, Australia, whatever. So you are doing this online meeting, a conference meeting, whatever is going on, okay? Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, now somebody is saying that he or she is sick or some mishap has happened. What should be the response? Behavior wise.
Okay, it's okay. No, not an issue.
Absolutely. If you hear he was very confident, like you tell me, I'm like, oh, that's absolutely okay, don't worry, that's fine, no worries. Or, oh, I see, please take care. Like, it should not be, oh my God, I'm so sad, are you okay? This you can't do in a professional setup. Can I give you a glass of water? You don't do that. So Saheli's question was, when do you use this business English? You use it whenever you are in any office or a professional setup. At home, you can be how you are. Maybe you are having different personalities are there, but when you are in an like office setup, then you have to maintain this type of language, a certain type of body language, behavior, mannerisms, dialogues, everything should be professional. Understood? So I hope this is clear to everybody. Moving on to the next option, number 2, that is hurry up. Hurry up. When you're in a casual setup, you say hurry up. Do it quickly, hurry up. Now, when you are in the business English situation, like you are in this business calls and whatever professional setup, you say, it seems we are running slightly behind, full stop. It seems we are running slightly behind, full stop. Let's prioritize this to ensure timely completion of the task. Let's prioritize this to ensure timely completion of the task. Next, number 3, this is wrong. This is wrong. এবারে অফিশিয়াল কথাবার্তাতে এগুলো প্রচন্ড ইরিটেটিং লাগবে, তোমাদের বলে রাখি। এই ধরনের ডায়লগ अगर आप इस तरह से बोल दोगे ना, like professional people will hate it. They can't stand this type of dialogue, behavior, attitude. So you have to know these things if you are any working professional. Okay, so instead of saying this is wrong, you can say there seems to be a slight discrepancy. There seems to be a slight discrepancy. Discrepancy spelling D-I-S-C-R-E-P-A-N-C-Y. D-I-S-C-R-E-P-A-N-C-Y. There seems to be a slight discrepancy here, full stop. Could we take another look to ensure everything aligns perfectly? Could we take another look? Could we take another look to ensure everything aligns perfectly? Question mark.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of completion?
Finish. Complete টা verb, action. Completion টা noun. যেরকম
C-O-M-P-L-E-T-I-O-N.
T-I-O-N, yeah. যেরকম organization, like that. Completion is the noun form of complete. Last, number 4, then we can move to some conversation now. I don't agree with that. Now, in any like official setup, you don't say like that I don't agree. Neither do you say, oh, I'm so sorry, I don't know, I think I don't agree. Like that also you don't do, okay? So you say with confidence only that I appreciate your perspective. I appreciate your perspective, comma, but I wonder if we might consider a slightly different approach here, full stop. So bottom line is, can you see how this is polite, at the same time it is so strong and confident? So you have to understand this, okay? Not just English wise, also behavior wise, attitude wise. Business English is very important for your office purpose. Like I'm sure Mr. Varun Kumar Das and also Sanjeev, the ones who attend meetings and conferences with international people, they've seen these things, you know, how like to do it. When Mariam, you go to UK, you will also see when they ask you that are you okay, the intonation is like that. Like suppose you're standing somewhere in front of a shop, a stranger might just come and say, hey, are you okay? Not so like worried and panic and like weak and meek. They don't do that. In a confident way, they will say, hey, are you okay, my love? Or hey, are you okay, dear? Right? Is everything all right? Are you okay? So bottom line is, don't lose confidence at any cost. Okay?